Today's topic is to check if the numeric suffix is present in the given string or not. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method 1, that is a basic approach, and the method 2 by using a regular expression. Let's start from the first method, that is a basic approach. So first we are going to initialize our string, and after that we are going to use an is digit over here. And the list slicing I have used over here, it tends to be like we are just taking the backside one portion of our string, and we are checking at that if that particular element which we have taken from the string is a digit or not. If it is digit, then we are storing it into X and we have them as an output. So I have just taken the last element of our given string. So what does this does is we need to only check the suffix, right? We don't need to check like the whole portion of a numerical value. So we can take the last digit and we can have it as an output, like if the string is have a numeric suffix or not.